Synergia's good relationship is built on commitment. Synergia works in the farthest and hard-to-reach places in Barn. Every day there is learning. Every day is a new beginning because Synergia is a home that welcomes everyone who is passionately willing to share and reach out to communities to build a better future. Our commitment and work will continue to inspire every local government and community. Tawi-Tawi, for example, are now making every school governing council functional. Mayors in Sulu, Basilan, and Tawi-Tawi are now putting more funds to education programs. We are now doing better in as far as reading is concerned. From 65% non-readers in 2013 to 28% non-readers in 2019. We will continue to strive in reaching and making every kid read. Walang iwanan, ako'y asahan, kaya natin, tayo'y magtulungan. Sa Synergia, isang puso, isang pamilya.